and all our assets, our resources are at your disposal. This is what I conveyed to him, and this is what I'd like to reiterate today. And during these days, we have managed to send aircrafts with relief goods. Our rescue team, our medical team, and other items are being collected for further shipments through trucks, through aircrafts, and of course through sea. We are clear that any amount of effort won't be enough because the loss is colossal and beyond imagination. So please be rest assured that inshallah Allah Almighty is with you, with the people of Turkey, and my government, myself, and the people of Pakistan are standing by you, and we'll be there all the way till the last homeless person is back in his home.
Once more we have seen that the hearts of Pakistani people beat with that of Turkish people. Your sharing, your support, your help relieves us and eases our grief, deep grief. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Actually, we are in deep grief, in sorrow. As you say, that toll is every moment increasing. It's over now 35,000. And as you say, it's a wide area that has been affected by the earthquake. 500 kilometers by 400 kilometers wide range of area. 10 cities, 10 different cities have been affected. It's an unprecedented, certainly, disaster.
Yesterday, Brother Excellency, I had another Zoom meeting with my colleagues and Chairman NDMA and our ambassador in Ankara and of course in Damascus. And we have exchanged notes and we have discussed what is there to act quickly and in the order of priority, what we can collect and send. So the answer was winterized tents.
Yes.
So this is what we have then decided to order for winterized tents in Pakistan on war footing. NDM is placing orders with potential manufacturers, and of course other items like blankets and woolen clothes,
sleeping bags.
So we are trying to collect them as quickly as possible, and we will ship them to Turkey through whatever means available. But I would be extremely grateful if we could be guided and advised by you on a daily basis. We can create a mechanism where our Foreign Office and His Excellency Ambassador can really exchange notes on a daily basis, and then we can get to know what is the situation, and then we can convey it to NDMA. They will also be in touch with you directly, and please be rest assured we cannot ever forget and cannot thank you enough, and the Turkish people and President Tayyip Erdogan for what he did, and his government and his people during earthquake of 2005 and then floods of 2010 and then now last year. It's there for everybody to see, and I think Turk brothers and sisters went beyond their capacity to support Pakistan. So we are like a family, And
Yes, Your
inshallah, whatever we can really do, we will inshallah spare no effort at all.
Thank you, Your Excellency. From the first day on, actually, we are in cooperation with NDMA. They work under your instructions, and actually they have sent search and rescue teams, and they worked there marvelously. They have done very marvelous jobs, miraculous jobs over there, and they, even today, they rescued people alive. This is the 8th day, actually, and we are very thankful. We are grateful to them, and as I said, every day NDMA sends good relief material to Turkey by PIA, yes, and also Turkish Airlines, and also cargo planes. We are really thankful to them for this.
We are pushing
Yes.
large
Yes.
chunk of stuff through
Cargo planes.
through trucks,
Yes.
NLC, National Logistics
NLC also,
Cell.
yes.
As I speak, they are on the way to cross the border.
Yeah.
We're also exploring the possibility of sending it through trains.
Yes.
But initially, we'll do our best to transport winterized tents through airplanes as much as we can, through Pakistan International Airlines, through Air Force planes. We also got Turkish planes also, but we'll do our best. Whatever we can, inshallah, we'll do our best.
This is what we see, what we observe, Your Excellency.
Foreign Minister would like to add something.
I think after the Prime Minister speaks, there's less to say, but of course we reiterate our condolences. I spoke about experience with the natural disaster recently, and our Turkish brothers and sisters are very helpful. So we're doing whatever we can in our capacity to deal with this difficulty. I know that the Prime Minister wanted to visit, and as soon as that's appropriate, we'll be doing that as well, inshallah.
So, as the Foreign Minister said, we are like a family, so please,
Certainly.
we will ask you on a daily basis and request you to let us know, what is the priority of the day, or the next week, or a week after, because it's like a family.
Yes.
And
No doubt about
and
it.
I will be very grateful if this information is conveyed to us as early as possible, so that NDMA can be apprised of what is the requirement, and they can manage things immediately accordingly.
Yes. They are actually cognizant of what we need at the moment. We are feeding them this information every day, as you instructed, as you say, Your Excellency. We are in very close cooperation with them. Actually, they are in cooperation with their counterpart in Turkey, which is Afad, you must know. So, and also your ambassador in Ankara.
Yes, Dr. Junaid, yes. He's very active, and he's doing a great job. Yeah.
Thanks.
I was watching television today. The death toll has increased to 30,000?
35, over
35,000.
Maybe in the morning it will reach to 40, because we are just excavating the debris, from the ground. And so search and rescue phase or step of the after the disaster, it's almost over. So I believe that toll will increase very fast.
But even yesterday they found a baby.
Even today.
Even today?
Even today. Yes. And that's why professional search and rescue teams have been so efficient. And one of them was Pakistani Army search and rescue teams. And also some Pakistani NGOs also reached the field, and they have done marvelous job over there. Yes.
We also have specialist doctors. Would you like to explain? Yes.
Thank you very much, sir. Our heart actually bleeds when we learn about this. The reconstruction surgery would be another challenge.
Yes,
The people
yes,
have lost their limbs, and the reconstruction is a tiring job. So we have a team of experts, those who worked during the earthquake in Kashmir.
Yes.
So very well settled plastic surgeons. They have also volunteered and asked the Prime Minister that they are ready, they can leave their work and they can join the teams over there. They are professionally trained doctors. They have worked in the area. They are also running different reconstruction centers in Pakistan.
Thank you.
Reconstruction of limbs and hands and foot and all those.
Yeah. I will contact the Minister of Health in Turkey, and also I will have them contacted with our authorities.
And from the public sector as well as the private sector, they have requested the Prime Minister, they are ready, they can join the teams over there.
Thank you. Very much appreciated. Very much appreciated. Thank you.
Excellency, we will not take more of your time. You are very busy.
No, thank you.
I know that you are working round the clock, and
It's a pleasure.
our prayers are with you. All our good wishes are with you. May Allah
Thank you.
bestow upon you and the people of Turkey His choicest blessings, and save our brothers and sisters from any further loss of life and property. And we are there at your beck and call.
Thank you, Your Excellency. We are proud of friendship and brotherhood of Pakistan. Thank you very much.
I was in Lahore. I would have come earlier.
Yes.
Foreign Minister was also in Karachi.
Yes.
So I just landed in Islamabad today, and otherwise our colleagues were here a few days ago.
I conveyed that
Yes,
I came,
yes,
I told the Prime
His
Minister
Excellency was
indisposed, and
2 days ago actually together. Yes.
Thank you very much.
नाज़रीन, वज़ीराअज़म मोहम्मद शहबाज शरीफ ने तुर्की सफारतखाने का दौरा किया है और इस मौके पर वज़ीराअज़म ने मेहमानों की किताब में अपने तासुरात भी कलम बंद किए हैं। वफाकी वज़रा भी वज़ीराअज़म के हमरा। वज़ीराअज़म मोहम्मद शहबाज शरीफ ने तुर्की सफारतखाने का दौरा किया है और इस मौके पर वज़ीराअज़म ने मेहमानों की किताब में अपने तासुरात भी कलम बंद किए हैं। वफाकी वज़रा भी वज़ीराअज़म के साथ इस दौरे पर मौजूद, और वज़ीराअज़म ने 6 फरवरी में तुर्की में आने वाले हौलनाक ज़लज़ले पर अफसोस का इजहार किया और पाकिस्तान की अपने तुर्क बहन भाइयों को हर मुमकिना मदद की यकीन दहानी करवाई है। वज़ीर-ए-आज़म का ये कहना है कि तुर्क हमारा ब्रदर मुल्क है। 2005 का ज़लज़ला हो या 2010 का सैलाब हो या पिछले साल तबाह कुन ज़लज़ले के नतीजे में जो पाकिस्तान को नुकसान पहुंचा, तुर्की पाकिस्तान के शाना बशाना खड़ा रहा, हर मुमकिन मदद फराहम की। पाकिस्तान तुर्की के किरदार को हमेशा सराहता है। आज जब तुर्की में हौलनाक ज़लज़ला आया है तो पाकिस्तान अपने ब्रदर मुल्क के साथ खड़ा है। वज़ीर-ए-आज़म ने कहा कि एयरलाइंस के जरिए, समुद्रों के रास्ते, रेलगाड़ियों के जरिए जिस तरह भी मुमकिन हो सके इमदादी सामान की तरसील को हर मुमकिन यकीनी बनाया जा रहा है। वज़ीर-ए-आज़म ने तुर्की में खौफनाक ज़लज़ले में जो तबाही मचाई है उस पर अफसोस का इजहार किया और कहा कि इमदादी सामान, मेडिकल टीमें और रेस्क्यू टीमें भी वहाँ पर भिजवाई गई हैं। इस मौके पर वज़ीर ख़ारजा बिलावल भुट्टो ज़रदारी ने भी इज़हार ख्याल किया, दिली सदबे, दिली अफसोस का इजहार किया और अपने भरपूर ताबुन का यकीन दिलाया। तुर्क सफीर ने इस मौके पर वज़ीर-ए-आज़म का शुक्रिया अदा किया और पाकिस्तान के किरदार को सराहा। उन्होंने कहा कि पाकिस्तान ने एक ब्रदर मुल्क होने के नाते तुर्की की मदद कर रहा है और इमदाद की तरसील के हवाले से उनका कहना था कि राब्तों को मज़ीद मौसर बनाने की ज़रूरत है। उन्होंने कुछ तफसीलात भी शेयर की और कहा कि रेस्क्यू और रिलीफ की कार्रवाइयाँ वहाँ जारी हैं और अभी भी मलबे तले जिंदा लोगों को निकाला जा रहा है।